would love one of these on their Christmas tree. Honestly, I am in love. They are so gorgeous and I made loads of them. Let me get them for you. Number 1, this is Peace. Number, oh, hang on. 2, Joy. Number 3, a little star. Number 4, an angel. And number 5, a little ombre version of the angel. I love them. So these little things are decorations for the Christmas tree. I have made them myself, not just cross-stitched them, but made the pattern as well. And I'm going to let you guys have all the patterns for free. I know what you're thinking. Philly, you're so generous. I'm not that generous. I'm just generous to you guys because you're all awesome and you follow me and you watch me and you subscribe and you comment on my videos and I love you. I absolutely love you. So let me rewind it a little bit. I decided last year, I think, to make some of these cross-stitch patterns, but I just never got around to making them. So I thought, do you know what? I've got all the stuff in the cupboards. I will make them this year. So all I used was a 14 count Ada, a 3-inch embroidery hoop, and then I glued some felt on the back as well. I popped these little ribbons on the top. Job's a good one. So there are 4 patterns. You've got, like I showed you, you've got the angel, you've got the star, you've got joy, and you've got peace. Oh, peace. But you also have all of those 4 in an ombre option as well. So can you see, I've gone a tiny bit wrong at the end. Ignore that, I'm just going to hide it with my finger. So can you see that you've got an ombre pattern in different colours as well? And you've got that in all 4 of these ones too. As you'll see, they are in this green. You guys can do them in any colour you like. I think the pattern called for blues and different types of blues. But I've used green because this is going to be my colour for the Christmas table and for my tree once I get some new baubles. So I've still got blue on there at the moment. I don't really like it, but the children put them up and now I feel bad about taking them down. So I'm going to have to leave them up for like another week. So I thought if you would like to make your own Christmas tree decorations, you can just go and grab all these patterns for free over on my Facebook page. The link will be down below. If you feel like giving me a little thanks, there's a button there which will give me like £2 or something. But if you don't, it doesn't matter because they are completely free and they are for all my subscribers and all my followers and everyone who watches my videos. Because honestly, it makes such a difference to my day when I come online and I see comments like your enthusiasm is infectious or I love your energy and stuff like that, and I just want to give back because I think you guys are so awesome and so special. So thank you so much. This is my Christmas gift to you guys. Now that I'm looking round, so I've got my other cross stitches displayed like literally to the side of you. I've actually got, let me grab this other cross stitch that I designed and made myself as well. This one is a bigger one. What did I have? Loved, I can't remember what the other ones were. I'll put a picture, I'm just going to put my cross up my armpit. I put a picture here of all the other ones that I made in, oh, was it Loved? Blessed. There was another one. But anyway, I've made this one before. This one I thought was really, really pretty, but I haven't. You ready to see my rudeness? Right? Muggy bottoms! So I haven't put anything on the back of that yet. But that's up on my my little wall of wonder, along with my tits and my load of bullfinch, which can't get off the wall. They're stuck on there for good. Well, until I swap them in with some other ones. So I've been trying to do some embroidery and stuff, and honestly, I don't know if I'm just a cross-stitch girl at heart. Like, I love the idea of embroidery, and I think that some of the patterns come out a lot prettier. But I just love me a cross-stitch. Let me know in the comments below whether you prefer embroidery or whether you prefer cross-stitch. I wonder sometimes if the reason I like cross-stitch more is because it's safer, because you know exactly where you're going, you know exactly what you're doing. Whereas with embroidery, you can go a little bit rogue and you're like, oh, Oh, I'm not so sure. Oh. Now I said I was going to make some Christmas decorations for all my church family, but I might make these actually because they were really, really cute and actually really easy to whip up. So in the plain ones, these guys, not including like all the sticking and stuff like that, I would say they took me about half an hour each. With the ombre one, that took ages. That took a couple of hours because it was changing thingies, and then it was having to follow the pattern a lot more clearly because of course you've got all the different, so there's only like 3, then you change colour, then 4, then you change colour. So there's a lot more counting and a lot more headspace that you needed, whereas with the other ones they were proper quick and easy and I could get through those. So actually if I made like another 20 or 30 of those between now and Christmas Day, that wouldn't be too much of a challenge. Wait, how long have we got till Christmas Day? 2 weeks? Yeah, that's all right, that's manageable, she says. It's fine, including everything else. It's all okay, yeah, so let me know which you prefer. Also, let me know whether you prefer the look of the ombre ones or the look of the plain ones, and whether you prefer embroidery or cross stitch down below. Don't forget you can get these patterns for free from my Facebook page, which will be linked. It will be in the documents or the files. If you go to the top and there'll be a thing, I'll put a link, okay? I'll put a link. And if I haven't said it before, I'm saying it again, and I'm saying it very loudly so you can all hear me. I love you guys. Right, that's it from me. Sorry it was such a short and sweet one today, but I hope that you enjoy doing your cross stitch. I hope that you tag me on Instagram or send me a photo on Facebook so that I can see all your pretty pictures and stuff. That would be really, really pretty, especially if I could see them on the Christmas trees. That'd be so cute. Thank you so much. I will see you next week with, I don't even know what's going on. It'll be a surprise to both of us. See you then. Bye.